Climb to new heights with Soctone's 14 feet multi-position ladder. Stable, durable, and packed with perks. Unmatched versatility for every job. Tackle tasks with ease using the Soctone 14 feet ladder, the ultimate tool for household and outdoor projects. This ladder's multi-position functionality lets you switch between an A-frame, extension, or storage-friendly foldable setup. Perfect for jobs like replacing bulbs, cleaning gutters, or painting walls, it's the ultimate problem solver. The removable tool tray adds convenience by keeping tools and supplies within arm's reach, saving time and hassle. Its telescopic design allows for easy height adjustments, making it a versatile, go-to solution for any job requiring a boost. Stability you can count on. Say goodbye to wobbly, nerve-wracking climbs. The Soctone ladder features dual stabilizer bars that improve ground contact and reduce wobble by 36% compared to similar products. This cutting-edge stability ensures your safety, even on uneven surfaces. With a 330-pound weight capacity, this ladder supports both you and your tools with confidence. Its safety hinge lock and J-shaped aluminum latches guarantee secure positioning, so every use is as steady as the last. Designed with your peace of mind in mind, it's the safest climb you'll ever make. Built for durability and performance. Engineered with high-quality aluminum alloy, the Soctone ladder is resistant to wear, corrosion, and extreme temperatures. Unlike flimsy competitors, this ladder is built to endure heavy use without compromising performance. Each step is reinforced with rivets and secondary snaps for added strength, ensuring a sturdy platform every time. Its rust-resistant, lightweight frame makes it easy to transport without sacrificing toughness. Whether you're handling routine household tasks or heavy-duty outdoor projects, this ladder's exceptional durability makes it worth every penny. Convenience meets innovation. Innovation is at the heart of the Soctone ladder. The removable tool tray holds everything from screwdrivers to paint buckets, letting you work efficiently without repeated trips up and down. Its telescopic and foldable design makes storage a breeze, while the simple latches allow quick shape changes for different tasks. This ladder adapts effortlessly to your needs, whether you're working indoors or outdoors. Its compact design and lightweight frame ensure portability without compromising sturdiness, making it an essential tool for anyone on the go. A cost-effective solution you'll love. Why settle for less when you can have it all? The Soctone ladder combines affordability with premium features, giving you incredible value. Customers rave about its stability, functionality, and durability, making it a trusted choice for professionals and homeowners alike. By investing in this ladder, you save money on multiple tools while ensuring superior performance. With its competitive pricing, versatile design, and rave reviews, the Soctone ladder is the clear winner. Elevate your toolbox and make every climb a safe, efficient, and satisfying experience.